Welcome back to All by Wally Design and Alteration, where I share tips and skills about sewing. So in this tutorial I want to show you how to sew hook and eye. First I'm gonna take the hook and I will start sewing the hook first. With one hand I'm gonna hold it and another one I'm gonna take the needle and thread and start sewing. First we're gonna sew through these little loops that you see on the hook, and then we're gonna attach the hook to the dress. Follow the instruction. After we finish sewing the hook, we're gonna sew the eye, and I always measure to see the level, how high it have to be from each other's. When all good, we are ready to sew it. I hope this little tip will help you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more.